What is the biggest killer of young women on Scotland's roads? What factor contributes to more women dying in a car than anything else? What do you think? That's a high contribution factor. I think that's about fourth. Texting, so mobile phones, that's second on the list.
My name is Ellen.
And how have you enjoyed today so far?
It's been really enjoyable. I enjoyed the comedy. I thought it was quite interesting and funny as well. And the story was very moving, I thought, as well.
This is a girl who was involved in a crash.
Yeah, she told us about her experience in the hospital and how it affected her family and stuff. And I thought it was very interesting and very moving.
Hi, are you also from Trinity Academy?
Yes, and my name's Jennifer.
And what did you think of today?
I thought it was very good. The comedy was funny, but it also had a kind of darker side, obviously, and it was teaching you how to be careful on the roads and stuff. And the story was definitely really. I never expected it to be that bad damage just from one mistake in a car. So I won't be using my phone on a car anytime soon.
My name is Ismail and I'm a sixth-year prefect at Trinity Academy.
And you've just been on the seatbelt simulator. How was it?
It was alright.
But you spilled all the water in the cup.
Not all of it, some of it stayed in.
I'm Alex from the Edinburgh Academy.
And what have you thought of today's event?
It's been very good for us to sort of learn about real life stories, and even in that sort of comical play, you really got the message.
And are you a driver?
No, not yet. I'm still 16, but it's good to know for when we start driving.
But also, I think they've been targeting people who might be passengers in cars.
Yeah, definitely. I know a couple of my friends have passed, and it sort of reminds them